What are TikTok Shop codes? TikTok Shop codes are unique promotional or discount codes that sellers and creators use to offer special deals to customers directly on TikTok. These codes encourage purchases by providing limited time discounts, cashback offers, or exclusive savings during campaigns, live streams, or product launches. For both sellers and buyers, TikTok Shop codes play a key role in increasing engagement, boosting conversions, and building brand loyalty. Sellers can generate these codes through TikTok Shop's backend to promote specific products, seasonal offers, or influencer campaigns. When customers apply a code at checkout, the discount is automatically reflected in the total price. Tools like Helium 10 help sellers track the performance of these codes by analyzing how each campaign affects sales, customer behavior, and repeat purchases, ensuring every promotion delivers measurable results. Many successful TikTok sellers use discount codes as part of their marketing strategy to drive traffic during live selling events or viral product pushes. By combining Helium 10's analytics with TikTok's promotion tools, they can pinpoint which codes convert best and refine future campaigns for higher profitability and brand growth. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to advanced tracking tools that help you analyze, optimize, and grow your TikTok Shop promotions with accuracy and confidence.